One of the most beautiful natural phenomena which we really look forward to during the rainy season are the most amazing rainbows in the sky. In case if you're wondering how a rainbow is formed, it is simply a combination of the processes refraction and internal reflection. अगर आपको इनके बारे में डिटेल में जानना है, you can check out our Vedantu class 9, 10, 10 Hindi and English channels. You can find those links in the descriptions below. Right? लेकिन आज तो हम इन प्रोसेस के बारे में जनरली हम जरूर जानेंगे which can support the concept for today that why are rainbows curved. रेनबोज के जो 7 प्रोमिनेंट कलर्स होते हैं वायलेट, इंडिगो, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो, ऑरेंज एंड रेड, ये जो कॉमनली आप विबग्योर के नाम से जानते हो, ये 7 प्रोमिनेंट कलर्स आपको मिलते हैं ड्यू टू द रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ सनलाइट व्हेन इट एंटर्स द वाटर ड्रॉपलेट, जिसके बारे में हम डिटेल में अभी फिलहाल जानेंगे. एंड उसके अलावा जो ये कर्व फॉर्म होता है रेनबो का, दैट इज हैपनिंग ड्यू टू द इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन. बट द रियल क्वेश्चन हियर इज द रेनबो एक्चुअली कर्व्ड? इफ इट इज, व्हाई नॉट एनी कर्व? Why only a semicircle? Why not a complete circle? Let's find out. But before that, if you want to join us for super fun sessions like that and gain 100% knowledge and score 100% of marks, along with unlimited live classes with super fun and high level quizzes, and while you're playing the quizzes, you're actually competing with the students throughout the world. You also have the option of having interactive replays with live quizzes and leaderboards, along with premium downloadable content with handwritten notes of the master teachers. And in-class doubt solving with quality tests and assignments after every session and every chapter, plus free 5,000 plus micro courses and free crash courses for competitive examinations with a guarantee that more the classes you take, lesser the price you would have to pay. For this and more of these, you just have to go on to the link in the descriptions below of this video. Click on the link and the site would open. Just go and choose your grade and choose your board. Go through the website which is beautifully laid out, clearing all your doubts and the offers. Click on the get subscription button. Choose your amount of months you want to get enrolled in. Click on the enter coupon code and write down the coupon code Spectrum and avail all the benefits this coupon code has to offer for all the kinds of months, and just click on proceed to pay. That's it. Now let's get back. First, let's talk about the color formation. एक रेनबो में इतने सारे कलर्स कैसे दिखते हैं आपको. Then we'll talk about the curve part. Let's understand the first process, that is refraction. So when the sunlight enters the water droplet during the rain, what happens is this sunlight, as soon as it enters the water droplet, this sunlight which carries all the colors of the world bend, because it is traveling from one medium to another medium, that is from air to water. And this is what we call in science refraction. Simply put, refraction is the bending of light when it travels from one medium to another. The classic example of refraction would be this glass of water, जिसमें अगर मैं ये स्पून उठाकर डाल दूं तो you would notice that the spoon looks broken magically. That is really interesting, isn't it? जैसे आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि ये पार्ट लग रहा है किसी और का भाग है और ये पार्ट लग रहा है कि स्पून का कोई और भाग है. When I take it out magically, you would see that the spoon is now perfectly fine, isn't it? That's the magic trick which a lot of magicians used to use for a long time. Now talking about the lenses of this particular camera, the webcam, that is also works on the principle of refraction. वो कैमरा छोड़ दो, the camera which I use for my sessions are for refraction. वो भी छोड़ दो भाई, the camera which I am using right now on this phone works on the refraction. वो क्यों, इतना क्यों? The spectacles which I am using now, they also work on the process of refraction, bro. Let's get back. हर एक कलर का यूनिक वेवलेंथ होता है which is different from all the remaining colors. इसी वेवलेंथ के डिफरेंस की वजह से all the different colored light bend differently, यानी कि they refract differently. यानी कि very low wavelength colored light such as violet refracts the most, वहीं पे the maximum wavelength light red color refracts the least. Hence, when the sunlight enters the water droplet during the rain, what happens actually is it enters as a single beam of light, but as soon as it enters, due to the change in medium and since it is made up of different colors of light, all the colors bend at different angles, giving us a superbly amazing band of colors which we call it as the spectrum. Does that ring any bell? This is how beautifully all the colors of rainbows are formed. How are rainbows formed? ये तो हम समझ गए. If in case you really did, people, do not forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to this channel, and leave us a comment how much you enjoyed today's session. But also do not forget that this channel is completely grade independent and boards independent. It's all for all the science lovers out there. So share this video as much as you can and spread the love. Now let's get back. Now after the refraction process of the first surface of the raindrop, when the colored lights actually enter or touch the second surface of the raindrop, what happens is all of them actually internally reflect back. And they reflect back at approximately very strongly at an angle of 42 degrees. And when this colored lights actually come out of the raindrop after the internal reflection and then meet your eyes, that's when you see the rainbow. यानी कि रेनबो की reflected light falls in your eyes at an angle of 42 degrees. So if we analyze all the light from the rainbow falling at my eyes at an angle of 42 degree, the spectrum of light will be formed in the shape of a semicircle. Now why is that? That is because any light coming outside this particular rainbow, outside this particular curve, will be making an angle 42 degrees, but it is not falling in my eye. And for me to see anything, the light must fall in my eyes. The same thing happens for all the colored lights which is forming below the rainbow as well. It is hitting at 42 degrees, coming onto my body, but not coming into my eyes. So again, I'm not able to see it. So that literally means, people, that the rainbow might not be actually a rainbow. It might be a complete plane of colors. But due to this 42-degree angle and the light reaching my eyes, it gives me a shape of a curve. And not any curve, a semicircle. Not any semicircle, it's a complete circle. Yes, people, it's a complete circle. So if it is a complete circle, then why do we see a semicircle? Quick guesses? Of course, yeah, it is because of the horizon. आधा सेमी सर्कल ऑफ रेनबो जमीन के ऊपर और आधा सेमी सर्कल जमीन के नीचे. Now, if in case you are really lucky, अगर आप किसी ऊंचे बिल्डिंग या sometimes from a flight, if you look into the sky during the rain, if you're really lucky, then you might be able to see the complete rainbow instead of the semicircle. But you really need to be lucky for that, are you? So these are those processes of refraction and internal reflection, people, which actually give us those Instagram-worthy images of the rainbow. कितना मजा आता है ना यार रेनबो के नीचे खड़े होकर उसको उसकी खूबसूरती निहारने में. So I really think that these refraction and internal reflection process, they do really deserve a salute, है ना? But यार हम खड़े कैसे होते हैं? मतलब यार जब ग्रेविटेशन इतनी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग है, हम कि जब ठीक से हाई जंप नहीं कर सकते, वी कैन रियली जंप प्रॉपरली. इफ ग्रेविटेशन इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग, व्हाई इजंट अवर बॉडी लाइंग ऑन द ग्राउंड? व्हाई इजंट अवर हेड टचिंग द ग्राउंड? व्हाई इज इट्स ओनली अवर लेग? इज अवर फेस मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर देन द लेग? हाउ इज इट हैपनिंग? कभी सोचा है? सोचा नहीं तो सोचो अभी. Well, that's for the next episode of Why So Silly. This is Abhishek signing off for today. If in case you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to this channel, and leave us in the comments how much you love today's session, because your love will help us to expand to all the science lovers out there, not only in our country but throughout the world, people. And also let me know in the comment section what is your perspective about the gravitation wala question which I just asked right now. So people, until me the next time, peace, keep loving science.